Sharing a Canva design sounds simple until your partner tells you they can't actually click on anything or the view only wall blocks their progress. You are likely trying to collaborate on a presentation or a social media post, but instead of working together, you are stuck sending static files back and forth. Stop doing that. I'm going to show you exactly how to grant full editing access in seconds, and if you stick around until the end, I will show you a specific trick to share designs with people who don't even have a Canva account yet, so you never hit a dead end again. The reason this usually fails is that Canva defaults to high privacy settings. Think of your design like a locked room. Giving someone a link is just showing them the window. They can see what is inside, but they can't move the furniture. If you want them to actually help you design, you have to hand over a digital key. Most people just copy the URL from their browser bar, but that does not actually grant permission. You have to use the internal sharing tool to change the status of the project from private to collaborative. To fix this, open your design and look at the top right corner for the share button. When you click that, a box appears with a field for people with access. Type your collaborator's email address directly into that box. This is the most important part. Look for the little drop-down menu next to their name. You must select the Can Edit permission. If you leave it on Can View, they are stuck on the outside. You can even type a quick note there so they know which parts of the design need their attention. Then just hit share. Now, tell your partner to log into their own account. They don't need to go hunting through their email inbox. They should just look for the notification bell icon at the top of their Canva dashboard. The shared design will be sitting right there waiting for them. Once they click it, they have the same tools you do and can start moving elements or changing text in real time. If you are working with a client who refuses to sign up for anything, here is the pro tip. Instead of adding an email, change the access level in that same share menu. Change it from only you can access to anyone with the link. Then, set the permission to Can Edit. This creates a public door to your design. It saves you massive amounts of time because you won't have to wait for them to find an invitation email or set up a profile.